Good evening. I'm going to show you guys how to set up and invite somebody to a calendar event using your Microsoft Outlook. So what you're going to do is click on the day that you have your event set up for. You can go to more options and it'll display a screen like this where it'll show you more things to do. I'm going to say basketball game versus JMU. The game starts at 9 and starts at 9 p.m. and we'll go to 9 p.m. and it'll start at 7 p.m. And then I'm gonna set the location for the JMU gym since that's where we'll be. Sorry, my keyboard's messed up. But you can add a description or anything and you want. I would normally put like bring a clear bag because they have a clear bag policy. So clear bag policy as a reminder, and then I'm gonna set my reminder for an hour before, and I'm going to invite one of my friends, and then there you go. Once you click save, oh man, it didn't, there you go. There you go, and then you can send it, and then you're finished.